guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to introduce you to Rapoo MT750s Multimode wireless mouse, which I purchased from Amazon for approximately $35. It's a great price for a mouse like this, and I will leave the link below in the description if you are interested. This mouse is designed for productivity, and it comes with many functional buttons that allow the users to switch between multiple devices, change DPI, and perform horizontal and vertical scrolling. Additionally, it features two side buttons for quick back and forward shortcuts. As someone who uses multiple devices, this mouse has been a real money saver for me. In this video, I will unbox it and take you through all of its features. So without any further delay, let's dive in and unbox it. The mouse comes in a sleek and modern matte finish box with a magnetic opening, which lets you have a sneak peek of what's inside. Inside the box, you will find a USB dongle, a USB-A to micro USB charging cable, a manual, and the Rapoo MT750s mouse. The center of the mouse features a high precision sensor with mouse gates generously applied at four sides to provide smooth and precise movements. Positioned between the left and the right click buttons, you will find the vertical scroll wheel, device switching button, and the DPI switching button. On the left side of the mouse, there are quick back and forward shortcut buttons along with a horizontal scroll wheel next to it. These buttons can be customized using Rapoo driver software. Regarding the features of this mouse, it can be connected to 4 different devices. It lets you switch between each device using a click of a button. It lets you connect to 3 devices using Bluetooth, and the 4th device using the 2.4G wireless USB dongle. The DPI button lets you switch between 4 DPI presets. With a full charge, the mouse is expected to run for 30 days. However, as a moderate user, I have used it for more than 2 months now with one full charge. It's an ergonomic mouse and fits right into the palm. I can access all the buttons without having to take my palm off the mouse. To give a perspective of its size, this is how it looks next to Apple Magic Mouse. It perfectly syncs with devices whether it's connected using Bluetooth or the USB dongle. This mouse has a stylish dual-tone color scheme of dark metallic gray and black with rubber-coated textures on both the sides for optimal grip. Overall, it's a great mouse and value for money. I have been using it for about 5 months now, and I have had no problems with it. It perfectly switches between the devices, and I have never experienced any delays. Whether connected via Bluetooth or USB dongle, this mouse performs equally well with no noticeable delays or latency. I love the fact that the charging port is located at the front, which means unlike my Apple Magic Mouse, I can use it while it is being charged. Additionally, the LED number indicators for device switching are a convenient and helpful addition, making it easy to switch between devices. Like any great products on the market, this mouse does have a few downsides. It comes with USB-A charging port, which feels a bit outdated, and there's no built-in storage for the USB dongle, which can be easily misplaced. Additionally, its ergonomic design limits its use to right-hand individuals. Given the price point, for me, these downsides are acceptable. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video.